it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video, can you see that? I am so excited for this. So I have never ordered anything from Eloquii. I've never even watched an entire haul video on YouTube from Eloquii. I've seen them because it pops up as like sponsored posts on social media. I've seen videos and suggested, but I've never actually sat down and watched a video. So probably last week I posted on Instagram, hey, let me know what online retailers you love. I'm on an ordering spree. And Eloquii was one of them. So I actually made the order on, let me tell you, Monday, February 4th. I placed the order at 8:07 a.m. I ordered, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for a total of $163.12. They were having a huge sale. It says I saved $366.28. Okay, so I ordered that morning. My package shipped the same day at 4:18 p.m. Today is Friday, February 8th. So 4 days. Yeah, 4 days from placing an order. It has arrived at my house. I haven't looked in this bag. Obviously, I know what I ordered, but I haven't looked in the bag. I haven't tried anything on. So we're going to do like a true first impression. See what it looks like. Try it on. Do I like it? What do I want to keep? As always, let me know in the comment section what you think about each item. I'll also leave direct links to everything that I try on in this video that I purchased in the description box down below. That way, if you're interested and you want to buy something, it'll be right there. All right, first thing that I am pulling out, this is the boyfriend cardigan in white. Price is $26.99. I got it in an 18-20. I think I got most things in that size because, ooh, this is a pretty white. It's thick. Oh my gosh, it's like a blanket. Okay, got some tissue paper in it. Okay, here we go. It's very long. Ooh, I like it. I do like this. Oh, it has pockets. Y'all, this is really like a blanket. This is so thick. It looked really cute on the model too. Oh, it's like bubble sleeves. How cute. I'm hot already, but it's not really cold where I am right now. All right, so this is what we've got. Ooh, I like the high pockets, that they're not super low. This fits perfect. Yeah, I would say the 18-20 is a good size. I mean, it's not oversized this way, like the arms are meant to be like up here, a little oversized. This is cute, but I feel like I work in a lab. Like I'm a pharmacy technician. You know, they wear these like white lab coats with the pockets. Yeah, I feel like I work in a lab. Next thing that we are pulling out, that's two things. All right, this is a pair of denim. I remember picking these out because, can you see that? They have studs on them. I got these in a size, I don't remember. So these are called the skinny jean with studs in a size 20. They were on sale for $32.99. I love this wash. That waist looks a little small unless it's super high-waisted. The studs are only on the front. They aren't on the back. I love the distressed ankle. So far, so good. These seem like really good quality. It's got the Eloquii logo on the back. If these work out, these are going to be so cute. Yeah, these are going to be so cute. Okay. Hello. How cute are these? These fit perfect. They're a little bit baggier here, but I don't think a size smaller would work because they fit so well in the waist and everywhere else. See, they're kind of snug, so I don't think that a smaller size would work. They don't feel like they would slide down. Like if I'm wearing them for the day, I don't think that would happen. I absolutely love this. Look how pretty. I love the distressed skinny ankle. Yeah, these are so cute. They actually fit really well. When I was putting them on, I thought, okay, these aren't going to fit. And they do. I almost would have liked the studs on the back too, but I get it. You can't, right? You couldn't put them on the back. Like, they would just peel off. Like, you would sit on them and ruin them and everything, but these are cute. Next thing, I believe, is also a pair of bottoms, maybe it looks like. Yeah, these are cute. I thought these would be really cute for work. So they're like black slacks, but they've got this like little lacy detail at the bottom. These are also in a size 20. These are called the Katie Fit Lace Cuff Pant in a size 20, and I paid $26.97 for them. These are definitely, they're larger than the denim. They're dress pant material, that's for sure. Pockets in the front and the back are real. If these fit, these are gonna be so cute for work. Okay, these aren't terrible. These are actually pretty cute. They are a little bit snug in the waistband. My belly button is right here, so they're probably a half an inch, maybe an inch above my belly button. I love these for work. However, there's no breathable fabric anywhere in these pants. So, but they are a little bit thinner, so they're not like super thick, like work pants. They are a little bit thinner. These are so cute. Imagine these with like some little flats. Yeah, these would be so cute. I love the bottom. Absolutely love the bottom. I like them a lot. I don't know if they would stretch. Like the way that they fit right now is okay. Like I could get away with it. I would just prefer it a little bit looser. But if they stretch just a teensy bit as I wear them throughout the day, they would be perfect. Next thing I'm pulling out is a top. This color is very pretty. Okay, so it's got a little ruching up the side. It's a lot more lightweight than I would have thought. This is in a size 18-20. It's a little bit short looking. This is called the Drawstring Side Tie Tee. It was on sale for $16.19. If I didn't say, it's in a size 18-20. I thought this would be cute for work too. Just like an easy solid color with a little bit of like cute detail on it. So this is cute. It's a little bit short for my liking, but I love that the arms are longer. I love this detail on the side. I think that is so cute. Here's what the back looks like. So I'll probably end up keeping this one for work because it's just an easy top. Yeah, I don't hate this one. I love the color. All right, I love this color. Y'all know that this season, this color is my jam. What is this? Oh, it's this. Okay, so this is a sweater with elbow cutouts. So in my recent, maybe last month, my fashion video, they sent me a top with just the elbows cut out, and it was very strange. And I thought, do I like it? Do I not like it? I ended up sending it back because I wasn't sure if I liked it. It was a little bit snug. So I thought that I would try it again. This is cute with ruffles, and then it's got something on it though. Yeah, this has, I don't know what that is. See that right there? It's just got something white. This is called the Ruffled Cutout Sweater, size 18-20, on sale for $17.99. The fit is good. It's a little bit snugger than I would like. Maybe it's just like a thicker fabric too. This is weird, right? I thought that I would like it because they styled it on Eloquii's website and it looked really cute with the girl that was wearing it. But I just, like my elbows are getting air and I like it because I'm a little warm, but it's just, it's weird. What do you think? I don't know. I'm not into it. I'm definitely not into it. And I don't know why I keep doing this, but I'm not into it. There it is from the back. And the final thing, it's sort of like a wild card. I put this in my cart at the last minute because the colors were just so pretty. And I know these like bodycon type, oh, it's tiny. Okay. These bodycon type dresses are in. It's like a sweater material. I love these colors. It's so spring to me. This is called the Striped Ribbed Dress. I got it in a size 18-20 and I paid $41.99 for it. I don't really go for these type of dresses, but I thought it would be fun to try something a little bit out of my comfort zone. I felt like the horizontal stripes might help conceal some things. This is not terrible, but it's not good by any means. I do have shapewear. That's the dog barking. I do have shapewear to kind of smooth some of this out and this in the front. It's great quality. I love the length that it comes down a little bit further, but whoo-wee, I just don't think that this is for me. I'm glad that I got it to get out of my comfort zone. I just don't know. I just don't know if it's me. Okay, I just don't know if it's me. I mean, you could undo this a little bit if you wanted to. I think it was actually kind of cuter tied up. Yeah, it's not terrible. I think that I was right. The horizontal stripes do kind of distract and kind of hide things. I'm just really hot. Sorry, y'all. But I don't... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so there's only a couple things that I want to keep. The rest just not really my style or didn't really fit how I wanted. These 100%. I absolutely love these. I feel like a lot of y'all are going to like these too. So I'll link these. I'll link everything in the description box down below, but I'll put these first to make it a little bit easier. Those are so comfortable. This maroon or burgundy, whatever color you want to call it, top, I like. I think it would be great for work. So I'll probably end up keeping this one too. And then these pants I thought were really cute. I mean, just for work. I don't know. I like them. What do y'all think? Do y'all like these? I kind of do. I kind of do like them. So that's a wrap on this video. Thank you to everyone that DM'd me and suggested Eloquii. I've never tried it, like I said, and I'm so glad that I did. These jeans are my favorite thing out of this entire haul, and I'm very excited to wear them. Okay, that's a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.